The garden, a realm teeming with life, where the delicate balance of nature unfolds before our very eyes. From the smallest seedling to the tallest sunflower, each plant plays a vital role in this intricate ecosystem. Today, we embark on a journey into the heart of horticulture, exploring the essential vocabulary that will unlock the secrets of successful gardening. Our journey begins with a fundamental understanding of plant life cycles. For within the garden, there exists a delicate balance between those who grace us with their presence for a fleeting season and those who return year after year. Annuals, as their name suggests, are ephemeral beauties, bursting forth with vibrant colors and delicate blooms, only to wither and fade as the colder months approach. Perennials, on the other hand, are the steadfast guardians of the garden, their roots anchoring them firmly in the earth, their life force lying dormant throughout the winter, only to reawaken with renewed vigor in the spring. These resilient survivors offer a sense of permanence and continuity to the ever-changing tapestry of the garden. This, dear viewers, is the essence of annuals and perennials, a testament to the cyclical nature of life itself. As we delve deeper into the hidden workings of the garden, we encounter a process both fascinating and essential to its vitality: composting. Here, in this humble heap of decaying organic matter, nature's alchemists, a myriad of microorganisms, work tirelessly, transforming kitchen scraps and garden waste into a rich, earthy treasure. Compost, bacteria, fungi, and insects, each playing their part in breaking down complex organic compounds into simpler forms, releasing valuable nutrients back into the ecosystem. Just as a thriving rainforest relies on the decomposition of fallen leaves and branches to replenish its soil, so too does a healthy garden depend on compost to provide essential nutrients for plant growth. Embrace the art of composting, dear viewers, and witness firsthand the transformative power of nature's recycling system. Just as a conductor must fine-tune an orchestra to achieve perfect harmony, so too must a gardener strive for balance within the soil. And at the heart of this delicate equilibrium lies a crucial factor: pH level. This seemingly simple measurement, a scale from acidic to alkaline, holds the key to unlocking your garden's true potential. But not all soils are created equal, and the pH level dictates which nutrients are readily available for uptake. Too acidic, and certain minerals become locked away, inaccessible to even the most determined root system. Too alkaline, and other essential elements become scarce, hindering growth and vitality. With simple testing kits and readily available amendments like lime to sweeten acidic soils or sulfur to lower alkalinity, you can create the perfect environment for your plants to thrive. Chapter 4. Loam, the Holy Grail of Gardeners. In our exploration of the garden's essential elements, we arrive at a substance so revered by gardeners that it has achieved almost mythical status: loam. This magical blend of sand, silt, and clay in just the right proportions is the holy grail of gardening, a testament to the power of balance and harmony. Sand provides aeration, silt enhances water retention, and clay binds the soil together, providing structure and preventing erosion. Like a master chef combining ingredients to create a culinary masterpiece, nature has blended these three components in perfect harmony to create loam. the ideal medium for plant growth. Strive for loam in your own gardens and witness firsthand the transformative power of this extraordinary substance. Chapter 5, Drainage, the importance of flow. Water, the elixir of life, sustains all living things, and within the garden, its presence is both essential and potentially destructive. For while plants crave moisture, they abhor waterlogged roots, a predicament where poor drainage can spell disaster. In well-drained soil, the water percolates through the various layers, carrying away excess moisture and preventing root rot. Proper drainage ensures that roots receive adequate moisture without becoming waterlogged, allowing them to breathe and absorb nutrients effectively. Even heavy clay soils can be improved with the addition of organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure, enhancing drainage and ensuring your plants thrive. Chapter 6, Pruning, a haircut for your plants. Just as a sculptor chisels away excess stone to reveal the beauty within, so too does a gardener prune their plants, shaping them for optimal growth and aesthetic appeal. This essential practice invigorates the plant, encouraging new growth and preventing disease. Pruning promotes air circulation, reducing the risk of fungal diseases, and allows sunlight to reach the inner branches, stimulating photosynthesis and overall plant vigor. With a little knowledge of your plant's specific needs and a sharp pair of pruning shears, you can become a master sculptor of your own green haven. Deadheading, encouraging new life. In the intricate dance of life and death that plays out within the garden, there exists a simple yet powerful technique that encourages new beginnings, deadheading. This act of removing spent blooms serves a vital purpose in the plant's life cycle. By removing the spent blooms, we prevent seed formation, prompting the plant to continue producing new flowers in an effort to fulfill its biological imperative. Embrace the practice of deadheading and witness firsthand how this simple act can prolong the blooming period of your plants, creating a garden bursting with color and vitality throughout the growing season. Transplanting, giving your plants room to grow. As we delve deeper into the art of nurturing plants, we encounter a crucial stage in their development, transplanting. This delicate process of moving a plant from one location to another requires careful consideration and a gentle touch. Transplanting provides the opportunity for the plant to spread its roots, accessing more nutrients and establishing a stronger foundation for future growth. Choose a suitable location, prepare the soil, and carefully lift the plant from its current home, ensuring minimal disturbance to its delicate root system. Gently place it in its new location, water it thoroughly, and watch as it thrives in its new environment. Chapter 9. Raised beds, taking control of your soil. In the quest for the perfect garden, we often encounter challenges presented by less than ideal soil conditions. Raised beds provide a controlled environment where you dictate the soil composition, drainage, and even the pH level, creating the ideal growing medium for your chosen plants. Whether you're faced with heavy clay, compacted soil, or simply limited space, raised beds offer a versatile and effective solution. They warm up quickly in the spring, extending the growing season, and provide excellent drainage, preventing waterlogging and root rot. Embrace the versatility of raised beds, dear viewers, and unlock the potential of your garden no matter the challenges your soil may present. Chapter 10, Greenhouses Extending the Seasons. As the seasons turn and the days grow shorter, a gardener's thoughts often turn to the warmth and abundance of the growing season. Greenhouses replicate ideal growing conditions, providing warmth, humidity, and protection from the elements, allowing us to cultivate tender plants and extend the harvest season. Greenhouses offer a sanctuary for starting seeds early, overwintering tender plants, and even growing exotic fruits and vegetables that would otherwise struggle in cooler climates. If you yearn to garden year-round, consider the magic of a greenhouse, a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to nurture life, even in the face of nature's cycles. Chapter 11, Organic Gardening, Working in Harmony with Nature. As we conclude our journey through the essential terms of gardening, we arrive at a philosophy that lies at the heart of sustainable and responsible gardening practices, organic gardening. This approach represents a deep respect for the interconnectedness of all living things and a commitment to working in harmony with nature rather than against it. Organic gardening eschews the use of synthetic pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers, relying instead on natural methods to build soil fertility, control pests, and promote plant health. Embrace the principles of organic gardening and create a garden that is not only productive, but also a sanctuary for wildlife, a testament to the power of working in harmony with the natural world. Outro, happy gardening. As we bid farewell to the garden, let us carry with us the knowledge we have gained, the vocabulary that unlocks the secrets of this fascinating world. We have explored the life cycles of plants, the importance of soil health, and the techniques that empower us to create thriving green spaces. Remember, dear viewers, gardening is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the successes, and never stop marveling at the wonders of the natural world unfolding before your very eyes. Happy gardening. Now you know essential gardening terms. Which was new to you? Drop a comment, like, subscribe, and share for more gardening tips. See you next time.